Good morning, we're now on our final day in the field in Iceland. Another day, another waterfall. I will put the name of the waterfall up on the video because I'm not very good at remembering these. So another impressive waterfall here, so you can see they're going up to the top. But the wind keeps blowing in the wrong direction, blowing the spray at us, but yeah, it's very impressive. And I'll put any shots up on the video after this. Right, well, we've come along a bit from the main waterfall and we've found this amazing small waterfall. Very difficult because there's so much spray coming through, but you can see there through the thing. And I did take a picture if they're any good. Right, well, here we are at Gullfoss, another waterfall, but this is truly amazing, this one. So yeah, just about to go back to the van. Got some nice photos, I think, so we'll head back and see how we do. So any decent ones I'll put on the video after this, so see you later. Right, good morning. This is my last day in Iceland. I fly very early. Well, I leave the hotel very early in the morning. Just having a wander around Reykjavik. But I need to go to the post office to collect my jacket and other waterproof. So, as I'm in an hour on what to do, whether to get a bus, although that seems problematic, so I've decided to walk. It's maybe an hour and a half walk, but the exercise will do me good. I've been popped up in hotels and minibuses, haven't done a huge amount of walking, so we'll see how we get on. It's just starting to snow a bit, a little bit cool, but I'm sure I'll warm up once I get going. You can see the street there from the hotel that's down there. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, just come out of the post office. Now got my jacket back, which is good, and my big cagoule. So it took me nearly 2 hours to walk here, but I'm going to head back into Reykjavik, have a wander around, possibly stop fairly shortly if I find somewhere to just get a hot drink, etc. And then hopefully get some nice pictures in Reykjavik. So I'll see you later. Right, we're now back to Reykjavik, and I've come across this little river here, actually under the main road. You can see the supports there. It was quite a nice, I don't know whether they call it cascade, waterfall there. Not quite sure how it will come out because the sun is very much glistening off it, as you can see. But if there's a decent image, we'll put it up after this bit. But I mean, very nice place to live, Reykjavik. A bit snowy at the moment, but we'll head on back into the centre and see where we get. So I'll see you a bit later. Right, we're getting further into Reykjavik now, getting towards the city centre. And you can see over to the left there if the camera comes round. That's the Hilton Hotel. Now if we point back to where we're walking, that's you can see the top of the main cathedral in the centre there. Yeah, and there's a sign there saying, you probably see it, saying the time 13:41. And it's also giving the temperature, which is 0.8 degrees Celsius at the moment. I don't know whether you can see just over to the right there. That's the American Embassy. Did notice that on the way back. There's the American flag, etc. So, and the seal. You can't see it from here, but it's on the door. So we'll carry on in and see you a bit later. Right, we've made it to the waterfront. Just been along, I don't know whether you can see it there in the distance, the Sun Voyager, which is the sort of skeleton of a Viking longship. I did take some pictures there that, yeah, if you're any good, you'll have already seen them. Just walking along the waterfront here. You can see the hills and the mountains beyond. And as we come around here, there's the Harper Concert Hall and Conference Centre there. So we'll see what that's like, whether we can get any pictures of that. And then we're going to head up to the cathedral. And we'll see where we get to there. So see you a bit later. And if there's any decent ones of the concert hall, I'll put them up after this. Right, so I'm back in the hotel. Last pictures I took were at the cathedral, and now I'm back. Thank you very much if you've watched this video. I hope you've enjoyed our walk around Reykjavik. If you've enjoyed it, by all means click the thumbs up. If you like my content, why not subscribe? So again, thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.